Spring has certainly sprung here in my Modesto, California Zone 9B garden, where I grow tropical fruit trees, tropical palms, and other exotics on a tiny 4,000 square foot lot. Today we want to concentrate though on this tree, which is a longan tree I have growing, and I did a video on how to air layer this tree back in September, and this is a follow-up video on that. Hi, my name is Jeff. Welcome to my Tropical Garden channel. Yes, today we're going to talk about a follow-up video on how the air layer turned out that I put on this tree back in September. But first, if you like this type of channel, go ahead and click the like button, the subscribe button, the notification bell, and if you have any comments or questions, leave them in the comments section below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So let's take a look at this tree real quick. As you guys remember, I did an air layer on this tree. It's really doing great. It had no frost damage this year. And back in September, I had done this air layer right here. And it wasn't the fall here in California is not a good time to do an air layer on the lychee or longan tree, but I did it for the channel, and I'm going to take a look and see how that air layer has grown since September. Wow, this tree is just, I can see, I don't know if you guys can see in the very top, it's got flowers. It's just starting to flower. But yeah, I'm going to, let me take a look at this air layer real quick. So I'm going to have to do this one-handed, so please bear with me. After I had done the air layer video back in September, it kind of, the air layer that I put in, the wrap I did on it was kind of loose, so I redid it using a water bottle. I believe that's what I used. I rewrapped it with a water bottle like the following day, and I'm going to take a look at see how those roots, if any, are growing in that air layer that I've done. You cut a strip of bark off the branch, and scraped the cambium layer, and then we wrapped it with peat moss, and then I wrapped it with a little saran wrap, and then, well, actually I wrapped it with, I put a bottle around it. I put a slit in a, oh, actually it looks like a Gatorade bottle. So yeah, let's take a look. You got to kind of be careful because the roots are sensitive at this time of the year. If there is any roots in it. I did notice that, well, first off, there usually is roots growing into the bottle. I'm not seeing that right now. And I noticed that during the winter, the branch that I had grafted had lost the tip. That tip is kind of important to the rooting situation, because that provides hormones telling the branch to grow new roots. So let's see if I can do this real quick. Oh, we got some. Let's see if I can open this thing up and we'll take a look at. I don't see any roots. Oh, well, wow. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's a callus. And lo and behold, I see some roots growing. I don't know if you can see this. The sun is really shining. But as you can see, what that is the callus. That big clump of undifferentiated cells, and those right there are the little rootlets that are starting to grow. So I'm going to wrap this back up real quick and get this thing. It'll probably be ready in about 2 months for me to remove it from the tree. But yeah, so you can see there's the strip that I had removed. This is the bark from one end. There's the bare center of the branch, and a callus is formed, and then you got little rootlets growing off of the callus. looking really cool. That is such a cool thing. Hopefully this shows up really good in the video. So yeah, the ideal time is right now to do an air layer. The fall was not a good time because the tree goes dormant, and now it's waking up, and clearly it is doing really good on its callus and root growing. So yeah, that's it. So if you like this type of channel, go ahead and click the like and subscribe button. I'm going to be doing another video on how to air layer a lychee tree that I have growing 15 feet away from this Longan tree. So yeah, if you like this type of channel, go ahead and click the like, subscribe button, the notification bell, and if you have any comments or questions, please leave it in the comment section below. I do my best to get back to everybody that leaves comments. You have a really nice day.